Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by cutting power to the HVAC. Flip the breaker or use the app to pause the system. This prevents the blower or shorting. Once done, press the Nest display gently and twist to access the backplate. Make a photo of wiring and orientation for reassembly. You should have a small flat tool, a replacement CR123A battery or compatible internal pack, and a soft cloth ready to keep contacts clean. These steps protect electronics and give you a reference for correct reconnection. Now you open the battery compartment using plastic pry or pinch tabs. Do not use metal near contacts to avoid sparks. After exposing the compartment, remove the old battery and inspect terminals. Corrosion or debris reduces conductivity, so clean gently with a swab and isopropyl if needed. Then insert the new CR123A or approved module, aligning polarity and pressing until it seats with a click. Make sure the connector sits flush. Improper seating causes intermittent power and thermostat errors. Finish by snapping the Nest display back onto the base, restore power at the breaker, and watch the boot sequence. Look for the battery icon and normal startup. Once it's up, make sure the Nest connects to Wi-Fi and run a quick heat and cool call to confirm HVAC responds. If the thermostat won't power, turn off power, reseat the battery, and clean terminals again. If still dead, swap in another fresh battery. This troubleshooting step fixes most post-replacement issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.